My name's Nicolas Parfait and I'm the Chief Information Officer of Avenue Bank. Avenue Bank is an Australian digital bank specialising in bank guarantees. Avenue Bank was founded to find a better way for Australian businesses, so if you need a bank guarantee, Avenue Bank is the place to go. From a technology point of view, it amazes me how far we've come. For us, the cloud has been key, and launching this bank would not have been possible without it. Most of our partners are also in the cloud, and the ability to use modern tech with managed services has allowed us to build this bank with a really lean team and keep costs down as much as possible. Now, as we focus on growing the business, we can ensure our platform is secure and can scale as we need to. The next 12 months is about getting our name in market and growing our market share. We want to be the first bank that any business who needs a bank guarantee thinks of. We've already identified further areas of innovation and automation in our processes, and we're going to continue to improve our customer experience as much as we can. We've had really good feedback from our customers since launch. Recently, it's been a shift for the team after having spent 5 years building a bank to now having to operationalise and run a bank. Our focus has now shifted to servicing and supporting customers whilst continuing to ensure our systems are up and secure. That's been a big shift and something that we'll continue to get better at as we continue to balance innovation whilst running the platform.